What's up guys, Simon here. In this video of tech visibility, I got the SoundPeats T3 wireless earbuds. These are supposedly pretty good. I got recommended to test them and I said, why the hell not? I'll do it. I'm gonna give you my opinion on whether or not these are great. These are going for about $40 on Amazon. The link is below in the description to see this product on there. Let's get into this unboxing now. Before I do, the biggest favor you could do for us is hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Let's get into it. Okay, here we go. The SoundPeats T3. I got my surgical knife here. Up to 16.5 hours of playtime. Sound for a clear call. We're going to make a call and test it. Active noise cancellation. That's really nice. So for 40 bucks, not bad. Let's see what these are all about. Nothing else on the box that's worth mentioning. The box feels pretty good. Kind of standard. Of course, this is my favorite part. I should have been a surgeon, not a tech reviewer. All right, so here we go. I love that. Looks great. Now, it's a double box. So in here, we're going to see the magic. There it is, the SoundPeats T3 manual. Nice cushioning for the SoundPeats T3. A little sticky or shrink wrap on top. Nothing on the bottom. The case looks matte black. Love it. In here, you're going to get your charge cable like pretty much every other brand out there. And I don't suspect this to be a big one. It is a USB-C from a USB-A, okay? In here as well, you get, it looks like they stuffed it in there. You get, whoa, that is like, okay. In here as well, you get the ear tips, all right? I'm sure there was an easier way to open it, but we did it the hard way. So this is what it comes with, guys. In the case, you got your charging cable, your SoundPeats, and a couple different ear tip sizes. We'll go ahead and put those back. We're not gonna need them. Typically for my ear, everything fits the same way. All right, so here's the SoundPeats T3 earbud. Very small, guys, very small. I mean, I'm surprised how tiny this is. There's a little shrink wrap to remove or tape to prevent these from overcharging or draining your battery case from the factory. And they plug in and charge like that. So there's an indicator here that they're charging, which is really good. And there's an indicator here that they're charging and they're ready for Bluetooth pairing soon, as soon as we take them out. Let's go ahead and do that here. Before I do, I always go into the manual a little bit. Pairing is easy. You just pop it open and a single press is volume, okay? That's on the left. On the right, it's a single press is volume to go up. A double tap is for play, pause, and hang up. Triple taps for voice assistant. And a 1.5 second hold is to obviously reject a call. So that's pretty much it. And the case is rather small. It's very light. In fact, it's lighter than the AirPods 2nd gen. And I think it's lighter than the 3rd gen AirPods. And that's how big they look. So in comparison, it's a really tiny case. And you can see the 3 here. It is a little girthier, so it's the bigger brother or the chubbier brother, but overall it's pretty good. Now let's pop these in and see if they pair, okay? And it says pairing in the earbud. Fit and look great. They're super light. I don't even feel like they're in the ear. They're that light. Not much noise canceling, and I'm just getting my phone to open up the Bluetooth pairing. Here it is, and we should see them popping up on Bluetooth here. There they are, the SoundPeats T3. So now we're paired, okay? I hear a woman say connected, and we're pretty much ready and we're set. Love that they put SoundPeats right on here in kind of an engraving. All right, let's play some rap music first. That's what I always start with, just to give you guys that bass. A lot of you guys love the bass. and I do too as well to amp it up. And I always tend to pick pretty much the same song to give me an understanding of how good the other ones are. So I just recently did a T12 Pro review, the Tozos, and I love the bass on those. The SoundPeats T3 are pretty good with bass as well. Man, these are clear. Let's say a little bit less on the lows, but man, good bass. Okay, so the bass is not overpowering. The T12 Pros had more bass. These, however, are very clear. The lows are a little bit weak. Mids are good and the highs are good. There's no distortion, okay? I think these are going to be better for phone calls. Let's play another song. We'll play something that is more dance music or more melody versus bass. All right, here we go. And they look great. So, I mean, very clear, okay? They're good for $40. They're very good, and in my opinion, they're gonna be great earbuds for your collection. I am impressed. Now, I do want to make one phone call really quick because these are advertised for phone calls as great quality earbuds for phone calls. They are a small case, and because of the small case, they have an opportunity to travel with you everywhere. So you'd be using these a lot for phone calls. So let's place a call to the office. All right. Hey, I'm calling with the SoundPeats T3. How do I sound? I just wanted to see how you sound.
I can hear you fine.
Cool. Yeah, these sound great. Overall, pretty pleased with them. I mean, nothing mind-blowing, but you sound great. And I don't hear any nasally part. Cool. All right, thanks, man. Catch you later. Okay, so I called the office. They said I sound good with the SoundPeats T3. I didn't hear any distortion. I actually don't feel myself muffled. For phone calls, these are great. I don't even need to take one ear out to make good phone calls. Great for music as well. You're not going to get that mind-blowing experience of a song with the SoundPeats T3 personally, but overall, I think these are like good everyday earbuds that can be great for phone calls, great for music, great for audiobooks, provide pretty decent battery life of up to 16 and a half hours, and they're going to give you a good opportunity to enjoy music and phone calls. Not the best on the market for $40 range or so. In fact, I just tested the T12 Pros, much heavier, so the case is much bigger, but they give you a charging case. They're also active noise canceling. They sounded much better in my opinion versus these. They were okay in terms of bass. But for overall usage, really good earbuds. I would definitely check out some of my other reviews, but I cannot say I dislike these or I would not buy these, just because of the fact that I've tested so many different earbuds in this price range that I feel like there are other options. But these are overall about a 6 or a 7 out of 10 if I was to give them a review with value of money added into that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the review. I personally love them. I could own them. The magnet on them is great. They don't fall out, so you could hold them down. The case does hold the hinge on the door, stays up, so it's very convenient. And it's, to me, a really good, earbud. That's quality, that's affordable, and that's a good size. Okay, let's talk about some of the highlights for the SoundPeats T3 and why they're such a bargain. First of all, you do have active noise canceling. You do activate it with your left earbud, which I did and tested, and it was pretty good. They advertised that you could get up to 24 decibel ratings of noise reduction, and it's actually true. I felt like there was some really good noise reduction. It's not the best noise canceling earbud out there, but it was good. There's also transparency mode, so you could actually, with the single tap on the left ear as well, get into transparency mode. I did experience that during my phone call. It sounded really clear, and I did enjoy that. And then of course you could go to normal mode, which is just basically the ear tips trying to muffle out or noise cancel any surrounding sound. So you could do that and switch to normal mode. Overall, love the fact that for $40 you get 3 of these modes. Now the SoundPeats have some AI or artificial intelligence where they pick up your noise and then they cancel out the surrounding noise. That's why the crystal call was so great in my call. Not that I have a lot of noise here. However, you know, I truly believe that the SoundPeats do have some good quality noise filtering when it comes to using these earbuds, because I have had the SoundPeats before in the past, and they have done really well with phone calls and pretty good with music as well. Bluetooth 5.2, of course, no latency. I didn't experience any drops or distortion in the music played or during the phone call. You do get about 5.5 hours on the earbuds or on each earbud with a full charge, and about 2 more charges on the case itself, for a total of about 16 and a half or so hours. So that's pretty good. It's not the best in the industry, but it's pretty good. So that's pretty much it. If you did enjoy the review, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, check out techvisibility.com, and check out some of our other SoundPeats reviews, as well as our Tozo line and everything else that I've reviewed on the channel. I appreciate you guys more than you know, and I'll check you here in the next video. Thank you.